Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in with your username and password. Make sure your ID and the currently registered mobile are available for verification. Once logged in, navigate directly to Account, Profile, or Contact Info to avoid menus that hide settings. You will see a mobile number or phone section. Select Edit or Change. Don't skip this step because starting in the right place prevents extra verification later and keeps the process fast and secure. Once you choose Edit, type the new mobile number carefully and include country code if required. This avoids false entries that block OTP delivery. You then request the one-time code, expect an SMS within seconds, and enter it promptly. If SMS does not arrive, make sure your new phone has Signal and Restart messaging. Then use the alternate verification option like email or an authentication app to prove ownership. This step is about confirming access, so take it calmly and methodically. After entering the OTP, save or confirm the change and wait for a confirmation message. This signals the provider updated your contact. Make sure you test recovery options and notification delivery by triggering a password reset or security alert to the new number. If something goes wrong, like repeated OTP failures, contact customer support right away and provide your account ID and a photo of your ID. This speeds manual verification. Keep notes of times and error messages for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.